Guys, today is a special video. Today's video is also going to be presented by Circuit Demon. Circuit Demon is one of the best in custom lighting for your car. They do specialize mostly with Subarus from what I've seen. They are helping us out with a set of headlights for the Subaru Charge Speed Wide Body WRX. And they've sent us this cool little package here. I'm excited to open this and see what's inside. This is not our headlights. There's gonna be a separate video on that once we get everything situated. For right now, I'm just super excited to get this open, so let's see what's inside. So right off the jump, we have this super awesome shirt that they've given us. This is really cool. I'm excited to wear that. Looks like we got a bunch of different stickers. So this is basically like a little swag pack from them, which is really cool. So I want to give a huge shout out to Jordan over at Circuit Demon for sending this over. Super excited to be working with them on this build. And you guys are gonna have to stay tuned, so make sure you subscribe right now. Don't miss the content that's coming on this build. It's not over yet. Make sure you go check out Circuit Demon down below. I'm gonna put all their socials and a link to their website. Shoot them a message, tell them I sent you, and then who knows, maybe they can help you build a custom set for your build as well. Now you might have just noticed behind me, 240 has the carbon fiber hood on it already. Don't worry, 240 content is gonna be coming soon. I'm waiting on a few more parts. We do currently have it set up on jack stands and everything else, but again, this is gonna be a later video. But today's video is gonna be something even cooler. So right here we have the Subaru out of the driveway. My driveway is way too steep to do what we're gonna be doing today. We have new wheels for this car that have kind of been sitting in the garage for a while, but I think I've done a pretty good job of hiding them from you guys. So today's task is gonna be getting the work CRKs off. They don't look bad. We currently have these set up with wheel spacers. I want to say it's like a 20 or 25 mil, and these are an 18 by 9.5 plus 38. So the fitment isn't bad on this, but it's not what we're looking for this car. So if you guys know me personally, you'll know that I am a huge fan of this wheel. You can see it right here behind me. We've gone with a set of Volk Racing TE37 SLs. These are a 18 by 10.5. So the wheels that we're running right now are, sorry, a 19 by 9 or 19 by 9.5. These are, we're gonna be going down an inch in diameter, and we're gonna be adding a whole nother inch to the width of the car. We're also running a, I think this is a 295/40. Sorry, this is a 295/30 tire. This is a Toyo R888R. This is a great tire for street use here in San Diego. So recently we've had a lot of rain, but typically we do not. So this is gonna be a perfect tire for driving around, especially as we're getting into summer. Hopefully the rain lets up and we don't have a lot of that to deal with. But this wheel is gonna pair nicely as it has the red center cap and red stickers. I'm super excited to get these on. I think this red paired with the red of the Subaru, I think it's just gonna really pull it together. And we did go with the dash white. So the very first thing to do is we're gonna get the works off of that car, so that way we can start test fitting the new TE. So we got the first wheel here on the front. Fitment looks pretty good. There's this little lip here. But because the car has a natural camber, as soon as we get this tightened in and we get it lowered and we get it off of the jack, it should essentially camber in maybe about a degree, at least about a degree, and then that should give us the perfect fitment that we're aiming for. Now we got new lug nuts as well. We went with these Project Kicks. These are some R40s racing composite, and they look sick. So Project Kicks provides you with like this locking lug. It's a locking set basically. So now I gotta find a socket that fits the back end of this. It looks like it's probably a 21 if I had to guess. Maybe a 20. This is a 21. And that was perfect first choice. Let's keep it going. So by the power of editing, I'm gonna go ahead and snap my fingers like this. Damn, it looks so good. This is the shot right here. Look at that fitment. I think my wheels turned ever so slightly, but it looks so good. Now, as you notice, there are no center caps on these wheels. That is because the center caps are pretty much backordered everywhere. I've already tried sourcing a set. I can't find anywhere that can get these to me any sooner than a couple of months. If you guys know anybody that can source Volk Racing center caps and they have them in stock ready to ship, let me know in the comments. Feel free to shoot me a message on my social media. It's always linked down below. That way we can get those on these wheels ASAP. Let's see if the gator answers. Yo, Nader.
What up, dog?
I got something to show you, bud.
You got some TEs on there, boy? Yeah, it looks dope. What are the specs? 10.5 plus 22 or what?
Yeah, 18, 10.5 plus 22 with a 295/30. Felipe.
What up, man?
Hey, bro. Guess what I got to show you?
I fucking knew it. Damn, that looks so good. I told you.
Bro, with the red.
Dude, that fitment's so clean.
I dialed the fitment. Like, that's... Bro,
Damn, my boy.
and that's... Bro, it looks so sick.
It looks so good. I mean, before it looked good, but goddamn, man.
Yo, it looks like an Evo.
Yeah, looking like some white tees, man. Fuck.
TE all things.
Oh, God. Oh, man, we gotta go somewhere to some meat or something.
Facts. So that's the after, obviously, and then this is the before.
Yeah, I feel like that's gonna messed up. We can't beat tees, man.
Alright guys, if you've been keeping up with the Subaru build and you're a fan of the channel, first off, make sure you subscribe, and I do appreciate your support. We are at one of my favorite spots to get some cinematics now that the wheels are on the car and everything is pretty much looking good. There are a few minor details that I still need to change with this car, but we'll do those as we kind of progress further into this build series. Consider this the outro. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to leave some feedback down in the comments. Let me know what you think of the wheels. Let me know what you think of the paint, the body kit, all of the above. And with that being said, check out the cinematic and have a great day.